So, picture this. You've been invited to a party, and for some reason, you're in charge of preparing the cake. Now, you don't want to go out and buy one, but don't you worry, because I've got your back. Now that you've got your baking space, gather your ingredients. You're gonna need a few things to get started. Cooking grease, salt, butter, milk, sugar, flour, and some other stuff. Ready to get started? I am. Now when you're starting out, you want to remember that baking a cake is kind of like making a pancake. You're going to be mixing all of your dry and wet ingredients into the same bowl. You want to take about this much flour and dump it in there. Next, sugar. Everybody likes a little sugar, but you want to keep a close eye on how much you're putting in there. So you're going to just take a little bit and just put that into the bowl. Shake it around. Next ingredient, salt. If you're wondering why we're putting salt in here, it's because we don't want it to get too sweet. It's a cake. They're not supposed to be sweet. Now that you've cleaned up some of your mess, let's move on to the wet stuff. First up is butter. Now butter is very important to a cake. It plays a pretty significant role in... Okay. Not all cakes need butter. It's not always... Okay, it's time for the milk. I'm short on time. I'm not gonna be taking any measurements from here on out. So, just put it in the bowl. It's fine. That's good. That's all. Yeah. Okay. You got your milk. Milk done. Taken care of. You've got all your normal ingredients in there. Let's just put a little something extra, you know? Let's spice it up a little bit. Yeah, okay. I broke my mixer in a pretty spirited bout of baking. So we're gonna be mixing this by hand. This, you can use whatever you want, it's fine. Just get it to work. Okay, I'm sorry. I am just now realizing I forgot the egg. But that's fine, because you can add the egg whenever you want, because who cares? Who cares? Mix as long as you want. Maybe, if you mix it hard enough, people will like you! Now, since we're gonna cook the cake, it's going in a pan, you want to have your non-stick cooking spray so that it doesn't get stuck. You just... So let's just give it another quick mix. Cakes, as you might know, go in cooking pans. So let's get ourselves a cooking pan. Where is it? So you can't find your cooking pan. Of course, you can't find your cooking pan. So, what we're gonna... We're just gonna put it in the oven. We're just gonna put it in the oven. Because can't find your cooking pan. Of course, you can't find that. We're just gonna put it in the oven then. we're just gonna put it in the oven. All right. So you're gonna wanna set the oven. Just to hot. It's gotta be hot. Okay. Yeah. And put it in. Just it goes in. It goes in to there. And now you wait. Oh, okay. I think it's done. You need. It's gonna be hot when it comes out, so you wanna protect your hands. That's how you make a cake. Thanks for watching.